Okay, we're gonna clear the terminal. We're gonna change directory. Double period brings us up one level, and then the next one is called a tip calculator. What? Okay, there's stuff here. We're gonna call it tip. All right. Okay, DR tip, and then we're gonna change directory to tip, and then we're gonna go tip.py. Okay, so now we're in there. We come back up to here. We're gonna hit the copy. We're gonna hit the paste. Now, for my wizard tip in the United States, it's customary to leave a tip for your server after dining in a restaurant. Typically, around equal to 15% or more of your meal's cost. Don't worry, though, we've written a tip calculator for you. Okay, great. Hints. Okay, so how do we do this? Well, the dollars to float. Okay, so we need an input. How much was the meal? So where float D? Where the fuck is this D coming from? Oh, okay, so we're saying that dollars to float. This input is equal to D. So now D is now going to be equal to float. Would it not just equal dollars equals float? Return dollars? Right? Like, does that not work out to be what it's supposed to be? Unfortunately, we didn't have time to implement two functions. Should accept a string as an input. Ooh, okay. Wherein each thing is a decimal digit, and remove the leading and return the amount for a float. You should return. Oh, oops. I'm gonna get something to drink, and I will be right back. Right, sorry about that. Not like anybody's here. But as it says in my description, you don't have to be. I appreciate if you are. All right. Let's get back to this. Should accept a string, for instance. Percentage, where is this? And then we remove the trailing. So if we come back into here, we're looking for, we scrolled through this a bunch of times already. And we saw suffix and prefix. So we see remove prefix. So we have this coming in. Right. So we have this D coming in. We need to return D minus remove prefix. It's going to ask what the prefix is, and the prefix is that. If we go back over to, while we're looking at the remove prefix, I think that'll work. And then this would be the exact same, but only with a remove suffix. Which that'll be a percentile. Right? Yeah, it won't find it. If it doesn't find it, it will just return the whole thing. Temporary directory mix-in base test case. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, and it's also missing. It's also missing the if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals 1, 2, 3, 4 2 main colon. Right, so then we're gonna Python dot tip dot py enter. How much was the meal? You're going to have to put in 2121. I think. What does it say for testing? Type in 50. And then what was the percentage of the tip? 15%. And it should return 750. No. Because it is not a. I didn't add the float portion. Do this. And then we go float. Forgot the main thing. So we go back to here. We hit Python tip. How much was the meal? 50, 15. Excuse me. Percent. That math is wrong. Way wrong. Holy shit. That math is Could I do this? Right. Okay. Yeah, because it was off by 2 decimal places, so we just had to divide that by 0 and divide that by 100, and then that's good. So let's try the next one. Divided by 100, 18, shift percent, 18. Tip, how much was the meal? This is not how I would do this. I wouldn't add I wouldn't make the user input the $sign, just because I already find it annoying. Or the percentage, uh, percentage sign, 375. Okay, we're good. And then we're going to go there, shift insert, and then we're just going to say tip. We're going to hit enter. Waiting for results. And we're good. Okay, well, then I wasn't fully expecting to get this far this quickly.